Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Ben from Benjamin's Tech Web, and I am back with another video. Today I will be showing you some things I got, well not got, I saw down here at Wildwood, New Jersey at Mike's Toys and Collectibles store on the Wildwood Boardwalk. There's some images of, there's the Transformers I saw, that I really remember actually. And yeah, so let's get to it. So, go here and we're going to here we have number 1 Titans Return, Megatron, Doomshot, and Megatron. Saw him for like $30. Not too bad for a Voyager class. He was pretty cool. Yeah. So now let's go, and we also saw Titans Return Triptychon for $185. Looked pretty cool. Little steep, maybe? I don't know. Still looked pretty cool. Now we have, next, I found a Transformers Universe reissue Optimus Prime for $135. That's where I got excited, because it has the DVD, the comic book, and the toy itself. So I was really looking into that, so I think that might be something I might pick up. Now we also have Power of the Primes, Rodimus Prime, and Power of the Primes, Optimus Prime. I have the Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime, he's cool. Not the best, but yeah, it's still pretty cool. We have Combiner Wars Groove, which I saw there. Like $15-20, not bad. And a Transformers Prime Viacons. They had plenty of them. So that was cool. And then there's one other Combiner Wars guy, which I don't really remember the name, but yeah. That's pretty cool. That's basically all there is for right now in this video, but there's also, wait, just, yeah, there's still some really cool things. Just that. Yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Just a quick little update video. Now, there is more. There is one in Ocean City. I will hopefully be checking out probably tomorrow. I'm excited because I had G1s. That got me a little excited. So that's cool. Just wanted to give you a little update. I don't know how many of you saw the other forecast for Wildwood this morning. They put up Benjamin's Tech Web News with our guest star Kelly. Won't spoil too much with it. Pretty hilarious. Go check out that live stream. Only a few minutes, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. So, you know what I can do? That was quick. You know, I kind of want to I can make a longer video, can't I? You know what I'll do? And here, and we'll go to, and called, never mind. So yeah. Hopefully, yeah, whatever. Sweet. Let's play some Club Penguin. Do 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 do. I hope this works. Hope this works. I have like 10 more minutes of video. So I want to show you some Club Penguin if this ever loads. Well, I can do that video another time. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. This has been Ben from Benjamin's Tech Web. Ben from Benjamin's Tech Web, signing off. Peace.